Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video to let you know that there is something new on the RadioMaster website. Well, not new, just kind of updated, I guess. This is the RadioMaster box set, probably one of my favourite radios that they make. This is a great size. Sometimes I feel the TX16S is a little bit too big and chunky. Sometimes some of the smaller radios, like the Pocket, feel a little bit too small, particularly with their smaller size gimbals. However, this is the new version of the box set that has just been released today. $189 is the price, available in lots and lots of different colours. There's iron grey, frost white, mint mist, which is what this is, hot pink, cherry red and iceberg blue, and lemon twist yellow. Somebody's had an awful lot of fun naming all of those colours. Now, I actually looked at the original shipping of the box a little while ago. I'll put a link down below if you want to go and have a look at that. The thing that I really like about the boxer is that this is actually a radio that has almost everything on it you need in that much smaller form factor. And crucially for me, I really like these LCD screens. I know we've all fallen in love with the big colour touchscreen things, and they're great for navigation, and the Lua scripts look beautiful in full colour. But actually, do I use them at the field? No, I don't. And there's a lot of real estate and additional power and things used to run those colour screens. The big thing for me is that I can see this screen as it's backlit right now in dusk conditions, but in the brightest sunshine, it's also super easy to read as well. Now, the big difference, apart from the fact that these are available in all those funkily named colours, is these now are fitted with the AG01 gimbals. These gimbals are my favourite gimbals from RadioMaster. They are an upgrade for lots of other radios. I've got them in every radio that they make the AG01 upgrade for. They feel absolutely fantastic. The standard gimbals are actually really good, but bear in mind that these are the primary controls that connect you to the model and how you fly. Upgrading to the AG01s is something that I would have done if I'd have kept that original boxer. I donated the original boxer to a friend of mine who was having some issues and was desperate for a radio, and I've missed it ever since I gave it away. So I'm very pleased that they've come out with this new version. The only other thing that's worth mentioning about this, apart from the colour and the AG01 gimbals, is the fact that this is only available in Express LRS, no 4.1. And as pretty much all of the bind and fly, ready to fly quads I'm getting in at the moment are Express LRS at the moment, you know what? That's no big deal. In terms of the switches and controls, they're exactly the same as the original boxer. Nothing has changed. For me, there's only one thing I would ask of RadioMaster. A lot of these radios are more designed for beta flight and quadcopters, so we're missing the switches on the shoulders that things like the TX16 has. So we have a momentary switch on one side and a latching switch on the other, and that's fine. But for those of us that also would love to use these radios for things like fixed wing, having an extra couple of switches back here like these on the front would be fab. So RadioMaster, if you're listening to that, maybe the next version there is an option to have maybe modules or some kind of modularity up here at the top that allow those of us that don't just fly quads to have those extra switches that we need to fly. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.